A competency hearing is held for a suspect in a road rage killing on I-71. Christopher McCullum is charged with murder, wanton endangerment, and tampering with physical evidence. Steve Bergen joins us now with what happened in court today. Steve?
Rick, first off, Christopher McCullum's attorney wanted to clear the courtroom, including WLKY, for the proceedings, but the judge denied that request. Only one witness was heard before a decision was handed down on whether McCullum is competent to stand trial in the shooting death of Mukhtar Ahmad.
He showed to me that he had a knowledge and understanding of the basic process going on here, the roles of the various individuals in the courtroom.
Dr. Timothy Allen testified that Christopher McCullum at times appeared to exaggerate his mental condition, though in the past he has suffered from psychotic episodes and hallucinations related to methamphetamine abuse. McCullum is accused of firing a gun several times from his white van and into a black SUV driven by Mukhtar Ahmad. It was February 25th during morning rush hour. Several passing motorists who saw bits and pieces of what happened have given statements to police. A friend told us Ahmad had just dropped off his child at school. McCullum was arrested later in the day on an Interstate 64 ramp to Blankenbaker Parkway.
Is there anything that was inquired about today that would cause you to change your previous conclusions regarding the defendant's competency?
No.
Judge Audra Eckerly ruled McCullum is competent to stand trial. The defense attorney asked for a reduction in his client's $100,000 bond.
There is an absolute risk of flight. There's also in Mr. McCullum's record a number of failures to appear during his past criminal charges.
The bond will stay the same. McCullum's murder trial is set for August 16th. If convicted, he could face life in prison. Steve Bergen, WLKY News.
Thank you, Steve.